Hello. Okay, dog bite seatbelt receptacle. This problem sucks, and there's not a whole lot you can do. If I wanted to, I could probably make it look really good, but I don't really want to. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a razor and I'm gonna shave this down, and then I'm gonna take my heat gun and heat it up, and then I'm gonna take a silicone pad and press it against there and just try to make it disappear a little bit or get a little bit better. I'm gonna pause it because I need both hands to do that. Okay, that's after my camera's not working today. This is after I've weird. Doesn't want to focus. Huh. Anyway, that's after I've shaved it a little bit. There we go. And I'm gonna use my heat gun on it. So I'm not really going for new here. I'm just trying to go for more presentable. I actually got hired to do something else on this car. So I'm gonna get to that, and I'm not gonna spend a bunch of time on this, but that's how you make it more presentable if you've got a dog bite problem on a seatbelt receptacle. If I wanted to get real tech with it, I'd just fill this in with some thick super glue, sand it down, and paint it.